Best browser for MacBook in Safari. Safari, Apple's native browser, is optimized for macOS, ensuring seamless integration and efficient performance. The release of Safari 18 in September 2024 introduced features like AI-powered highlights, which automatically detect and emphasize relevant information on web pages. A redesigned unified menu and faster loading times enhance the user experience. Safari's deep integration with Apple's ecosystem allows for synchronization across devices, including iPhone and iPad, facilitating a cohesive browsing experience. The browser's energy efficiency contributes to extended battery life on MacBooks. Google Chrome. Google Chrome remains a popular choice due to its extensive extension library and cross-platform synchronization. Its Chromium-based architecture ensures compatibility with a wide range of websites and web applications. However, Chrome is known for higher resource consumption, which can impact battery life on MacBooks. Privacy concerns associated with Chrome have prompted some users to consider alternatives. Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is recognized for its commitment to privacy and security. As an open-source browser developed by the nonprofit Mozilla Foundation, Firefox offers features like enhanced tracking protection and a vast array of extensions. Its performance is competitive, and it provides a customizable interface. Firefox's dedication to user privacy makes it a strong contender for those prioritizing security. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, built on the Chromium engine, offers features such as vertical tabs, a built-in reading mode, and integration with Microsoft services. Its performance is robust, and it provides a clean, user-friendly interface. Edge's compatibility with Chrome extensions adds to its versatility. However, its integration with Microsoft's ecosystem may be less appealing to users deeply embedded in Apple's environment. Opera. Opera is known for its innovative features, including a built-in VPN, ad blocker, and social media integration. Its turbo mode compresses web pages for faster loading on slower connections. Opera's user interface is customizable, and it supports a wide range of extensions. While not as widely adopted as other browsers, Opera offers a unique set of tools that cater to specific user needs. Brave focuses on privacy and speed, blocking ads and tracker by default. It offers a clean browsing experience and includes features like Brave Rewards, which allows users to earn cryptocurrency for viewing privacy-respecting ads. Brave's commitment to privacy and performance makes it an attractive option for users concerned about online tracking. Arc. Arc, developed by the browser company, reimagines the browsing experience with a focus on productivity and organization. It offers features like spatial UL and integrates UL tools to assist users. Arc's unique approach to browsing aims to enhance user efficiency, making it a noteworthy alternative to traditional browser. The choice of the best browser for a MacBook in 2024 depends on individual preferences and priorities. Safari offers seamless integration and energy efficiency, making it ideal for users deeply embedded in Apple's ecosystem. Google Chrome provides extensive customization and cross-platform support but may impact battery life. Mozilla Firefox stands out for its privacy features and open-source nature. Microsoft Edge offers unique tools and integration with Microsoft services. Opera and Brave cater to users seeking innovative features and enhanced privacy, respectively. Arc presents a fresh take on browsing with productivity-focused features. Evaluating these options based on performance, security, privacy, and feature set will guide users to the browser that best aligns with their needs.